Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Pretzel Crisps Peppermint White Chocolate is probably one of the most anticipated seasonal treats, combining the satisfying crunch of pretzel crisps with the festive flavors of cool peppermint and creamy white chocolate, making it a delightful snack that perfectly captures the spirit of the holidays and offers a unique twist on traditional holiday confections. Number 5. GHIRARDELLI Peppermint Bark Chocolate Squares. Experience the delightful crunch of peppermint candy cane pieces perfectly blended with rich, decadent chocolate. It's a festive treat that brings the spirit of the holidays to life. Savor the smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture of our premium chocolate. Each bite is a moment of pure bliss, crafted with the quality you expect. Brighten your Easter celebrations with these festive chocolate squares. They are the perfect addition to Easter baskets or as a sweet surprise for loved ones. With a generous bag, there's plenty to share with family and friends. Spread the joy and make your gatherings even more special. Each individually wrapped square is a promise of deliciousness. Unwrap a moment of happiness anytime, anywhere. Trust in the GHIRARDELLI name for an unparalleled chocolate experience. We've been crafting moments of joy for generations. What we like? Experience the classic holiday taste with these rich peppermint bark squares. If you love traditional festive flavors and want a generous amount for sharing or stocking up, this is the perfect choice. Enjoy the satisfying crunch and smooth chocolate for a delightful seasonal treat. What people say. The peppermint white chocolate pretzel crisps are a delightful combination of sweet and minty. These pretzel crisps have a satisfying crunch and are coated in a smooth white chocolate with a hint of peppermint. A perfect treat for the holidays or any time you want a festive snack. Number 4. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps White Chocolate Peppermint. Experience the delightful combination of creamy white chocolate and refreshing peppermint. These crisps offer a unique and satisfying flavor profile. This large 20-ounce bag is perfect for parties, gatherings, or simply indulging yourself. Enjoy them on their own or with your favorite dips. Bring a touch of festive cheer to any occasion with this special flavor. It's the perfect way to celebrate the season. Get ready for a satisfying crunch with every bite. The light and airy texture makes them incredibly addictive. Indulge in the smooth sweetness of white chocolate perfectly balanced with the cool, crisp taste of peppermint. It's a flavor combination you won't forget. You get a generous 20-ounce bag, ensuring there's plenty to go around. Enjoy the bold and delicious taste anytime you crave a snack. What we like? Indulge in the delightful combination of crunchy pretzels and sweet white chocolate peppermint. If you're looking for a unique snack that balances sweet and salty with a festive twist, this large bag is ideal. It's perfect for parties or satisfying a crowd with its satisfying texture and flavor. What people say. The flavor combination of peppermint, white chocolate, and pretzels is wonderful. They have the right amount of goodies with these pretzels and I find them very tasty. They're not overly pepperminty, which is great. Just a nice, refreshing snack. The sweet with the salty goes perfectly together. Number 3. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps Dark Chocolate Crunch. Satisfy your sweet and salty cravings with this delightful treat. Experience the perfect blend of rich dark chocolate and crunchy pretzel goodness. Whether you're looking for an afternoon pick-me-up or a dessert companion, these crisps are the ideal choice. They offer a satisfying crunch and a decadent chocolate flavor. Dive into the deep, rich taste of dark chocolate. Each bite is a luxurious experience that complements the satisfying crispness of the pretzel. These large-sized crisps are perfect for sharing with friends and family, or for enjoying all to yourself. They're a guaranteed crowd pleaser for any occasion. Enjoy the delightful contrast between the smooth dark chocolate and the airy, crispy pretzel. It's a flavor combination that will leave you wanting more. Transform your ordinary snack time into an extraordinary moment. These crisps are designed to bring a touch of indulgence and excitement to your day. What we like? Savor the sophisticated blend of rich dark chocolate and salty pretzel crunch. If you prefer a less sweet, more complex flavor profile, this option is for you. Its generous size makes it great for movie nights or when you need a satisfying, grown-up snack. What people say. The peppermint flavor is refreshing and pairs well with the white chocolate. These pretzels have a satisfying crunch and are not too sweet. The white chocolate coating is smooth and melts in your mouth. Number 2. Flipz White Fudge Covered Pretzel, pack of 6. Indulge in the sweet and creamy taste of white fudge. It's a delightful coating that perfectly complements the classic pretzel crunch. Looking for a satisfying snack? This treat offers a wonderful balance of sweet and salty flavors in every bite. This pack comes with 6 individual bags, making it easy to share with friends and family. Or, keep them all to yourself. Beneath the smooth fudge lies a satisfyingly crunchy pretzel. It's the classic texture you love, elevated with a sweet twist. Whether it's movie night, a party, or just a midday craving, these are the perfect companions. Enjoy them anytime, anywhere. What we like? Enjoy the simple pleasure of pretzels coated in sweet white fudge. If you need a convenient, individually portioned treat for on-the-go or lunchboxes, this 6-pack is perfect. It's a classic, crowd-pleasing snack that offers a satisfying sweet and salty balance. What people say. The pretzels are crispy with the right amount of salt, the caramel is soft and gooey, and the chocolate is smooth. Perfect to satisfy the sweet and salty cravings. They have the perfect blend of salty sweet crunch than any other I've tried, and they don't taste stale. Number 1. Snack Factory Holiday White Crème Peppermint Pretzel Crisps. Get ready for a delightful holiday treat. These pretzels are perfect for any festive occasion. Indulge in the smooth, creamy white crème coating. It's a sweet and satisfying flavor combination. Experience the refreshing burst of peppermint. It perfectly complements the sweet crème for a balanced taste. Enjoy the satisfying crunch of our classic pretzel base. Each bite offers a delightful texture. These make a wonderful addition to any holiday gathering. Share the festive spirit with friends and family. Each 4-ounce bag is perfectly portioned for snacking. Enjoy them on the go or as a sweet ending to a meal. What we like? Get a taste of festive cheer with these holiday-themed white crème and peppermint pretzels. If you're looking for a smaller, perfectly portioned treat to enjoy during the holidays or as a special snack, this is a great pick. It's ideal for personal indulgence or as a small gift. What people say. Crunchy, sweet, and very addictive. These were very delicious, however does not come with much inside the bag. But the quality and taste are great. Seriously, way too good. These were a delightful surprise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.